Let's go through LeetCode 2083. Substrings that begins and ends with the same letter. So for this question, it gives us a string S, and let's find how many substrings it begins and ends with the same character. So this string, for example, it consider every one length, right? One length substring, for example, A, B, C, they count to our result. So that means at least we'll have a string length, right? String length result. And also we'll see for this example B, C, B, right? And A, C, A, B, C, B, A, right? So if the string length is greater than equal to 2, right? Instead, let's count those kind of substrings one by one, right? What we're thinking about is that we can see, for example, the character A, right? How many times it appears. For example, we have a character Z. If it appears, for example, M times, right? M times in the S. So the substring start with Z and end with Z. There are M, C, M, 2, right? Combinations. So that is 2 M minus multiplied by M minus 1 divided by 2, right? That is M factorial divided by M minus 2 factorial and multiplied by 2 factorial, right? So that is 2 M multiplied by M minus 1 multiplied by 2. So that means if we have Z appears M times, those kind of substrings, it starts with Z and end with Z, right? And also the length greater the substring contains at least 2 Z's, right? So for that kind of substrings, they contribute this kind of numbers. So what we do is that we count every character, how many times it appears, and add the contributions, right? And also don't forget to add the string length, because every single character, it is also substring, right? So that is our result. So let's begin to write code for this. So what we do is that we need to have a counts, right? Counts equals new int 26. And we can say for character char 3. Let's have the string length, right? String length char. Let's convert this to array. Yes, to char in array, right? So what we do is that we have a counts a minus a. We calculate how many times it appears, right? And so in this case, we'll have long, right? Long result. So will be array data length, right? So that is for single character, we need to every character will contribute to the length 1 substring. Then what we do is that we are going to for int I equals 0, I smaller than 26, I plus plus, right? And let's say if counts I greater equal to 2, right? So then we'll have result plus equal to, because this is long, right? 1L multiplied by count I. Just say use a int count in count, right? If this count greater than count and multiplied by count minus 1 divided by 2, right? And then I will just return result. Okay. So we need to calculate the length, right? So the length is O n, right?